maths class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is Shapes Around Us. In this chapter we are going to learn about some solid shapes. So what are called solid shapes? Objects that occupy space are called solid shapes. যে অবজেক্টগুলো কিছুটা জায়গা দখল করে থাকে, অকুপাই করে থাকে কিছুটা জায়গা. If I take a pen and if I put this pen, so this pen occupies some space, so that means this is called a solid object. This is called a solid object. Okay, so objects that occupy space are called solid shapes. Some examples of solid shapes are cuboid. These are the shapes, but this is a object. Okay, so in these shapes, which object has these shapes, that are called the solid objects. Okay, so now let's learn about some solid shapes. Example of solid shapes are cuboid, cube, sphere, cylinder and cone, etc. These are the solid shapes. But a ball, a pen, a pencil box, book, brick, all these are the solid object which has different shape. That is, some objects have cuboidal shape, some objects have cubical shape, some has spherical shapes. Okay, so their surface, the surface of the solid shapes are called the face. The surface of the solid shapes, the surface which we can see in an object, that are called the surface, and this surface are called face. Face meet at edges and edge meets at vertices. So suppose if two faces meet at a edge and any two edges meet at a vertices. Okay, so first let's learn about cube. You can see here a figure. This is a figure of cube. A cube has 6 faces. These are the faces 1, 2, 3 and আরেকটা আছে ভিতরের দিকে, এটা দেখা যাচ্ছে না, 4, 5, 6. So a cube has 6 faces which are equal squares. So all these faces are like this. All these faces are equal squares. All these faces are equal squares. 12 equal 8. It has 12 equal 8. So two faces meet at a edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So a cube has 12 equal edges. So all the edges are equal because all the faces of a cube are squares and all the sides of a square are equal. That means all the edges of cube are equal. যেহেতু কিউবের সবকটা ফেস কি এক একটা স্কোয়ার, তাহলে একটা স্কোয়ারের আমরা জানি 4টে সাইড ইকুয়াল হয়. সো দ্যাট মিনস একটা কিউবের সব এডজগুলো ইকুয়াল হবে. অ্যান্ড আ কিউব হ্যাজ অলসো 8 vertices. 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So a cube has 8 vertices. So remember this, a cube has 6 equal faces, 12 equal edges and 8 vertices. Example of some cubical objects. So which objects looks like cube are called the cubical objects. Some example of cubical objects are dice, ice cube, gift box. All these are the cubical objects. Next, let's learn about cuboid. A cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. A cube has 6 square faces, but a cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. where opposite faces are equal. All the faces of a cube are equal, but some opposite faces, একটা ফেসের সঙ্গে যে ফেসটা অপোজিট হবে সেই অপোজিট ফেসগুলো কি হবে, কিউবয়েডে ইকুয়াল হবে. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices. This is a figure of cuboid. A cuboid has a cuboid has 6 faces, but all the faces are rectangular face. Where opposite faces are equal, it has 12 edges and 8 vertices. A cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. So the object which look like cuboid are called cuboidal objects. Some cuboidal objects are brick, book, matchbox, pencil box. All these are the cuboidal objects. Now let's learn about cylinder. This is a figure of cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces. 2 of them are flat while the other one is curved. All the cylinder has 3 faces. All the cylinder has 3 faces. So this face, this is the circular face, and here is the circular face. So a cylinder has two flat face. 1, 2. These are the flat face. These are the flat face. And a cylinder has two flat face and 1 curved face. 1 curved face. This is the curved face. Okay, so 2 flat face and 1 curved face. It has 2 edges. These are the edge. These are the edge. So a cylinder has 2 edge and it does not have any vertex. So একটা সিলিন্ডারের কোনো vertex থাকে না. Some cylindrical objects are containers of colors, pencil, container of ghee or container of any other quantity is called the cylindrical objects. The object which look like cylinder is called cylindrical object. Okay. Now let's learn about cone. A cone has 2 faces. One of them, this is a figure of cone. A cone has 2 faces. One of them is a flat and the circular, while the other one is curved. So this is the circular and flat face. This is the circular and flat face. The base of a cone is circular. The base of a cone is the circular and flat face, while the other one is curved. This one. If we divide this cone, we can get 2 faces. One is circular and the other one is curved. Okay, and it has 1 edge. This is the only edge. It has 1 edge and 1 vertex. This is the vertex and this is the edge. Okay, this is the circular or flat surface and this is the curved surface. Okay. Some conical object, that means which object looks like cone are called conical objects. Some conical objects are carrot, birthday cap, ice cream. All these are the conical objects. Sphere has neither any edge nor any vertex. এটার কোনো edge নেই and কোনো vertex নেই. It has only 1 curved surface. This is the curved surface. So it has only 1 curved surface. This is a picture of sphere. Some object which looks like sphere are called spherical objects. Some example of spherical objects are ball, globe. These are the spherical objects. Okay, so I hope all of you can understand well about the solid shapes. you have learned about 6 type of solid shapes. That is, first one is cuboid. A cuboid has 6 rectangular face. Opposite faces are equal. It has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Some cuboidal objects are book, matchbox, pencil box, geometry box. All these are the cuboidal objects. A cube has 6 square face. All these faces are the equal. It has 12 equal edges and it has 8 vertices. Some cubical objects are ice cube, gift box. All these are the cubical objects. Next, cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 flat surface, 2 flat face and 1 curved face. It has only 2 edges and it has no vertex. Some cylindrical objects are container of ghee, container of color, pencil. All these are the cylindrical object or gas cylinder. Okay, next, cone. A cone has 2 faces. One of them is flat and circular while the other one is curved. It has 1 edge and 1 vertex. Some conical objects are carrot, birthday cap, ice cream. All these are the conical objects. Next, sphere. Sphere has neither any edge or vertices nor any vertices. It has only 1 curved surface. Some spherical objects are ball, globe, etc. These are the spherical objects. Okay. So remember all of these thing about the solid shape. Okay. So if you have any queries about this topic, you can ask me.